How to fix horizontal lines on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix horizontal lines on your Android device. So let's go into the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're having that issue of the horizontal lines on your Android device, these are the process you may follow in order to fix that. One of the basic method you can apply is restarting your device. First of all, you may just click on your power button. After that, you can find the power off option and you may just restart your device. You can find the restart option as well. Just click on the restart option at the second. After that, restart your device. Otherwise, the next option we can have is safe mode. Turning on the safe mode option on your screen. You may just turn on the safe mode option on the screen and then restart your device as well and see if that fixes the issue or not. The next thing we can apply is look for any kind of software update available for your device. For that, you just need to head over to your main settings of the device first of all, and then just go scroll down until you're able to find the about phone section where you will be finding an update section. Just look for any kind of update if there is any kind of update available and update your phone to the latest version so that you won't be having any kind of issue on your devices. Other than that, we can clear the cache of each and every applications. Like if any applications, when you're trying to open any kind of applications and a horizontal line appears on that particular app, for example this camera app on my screen, what I'm going to do is simply click on this info section and scroll down until I'm able to find the storage option. When I go to the storage option, you can find this clear cache option. You may just clear the cache and clear data as well if it is necessary. So that's how you basically fix it. Otherwise, if it isn't physical damage to a screen, you just need to seek for professional help instead. You may just go to any of the repair shop of mobile and look for professional help and try fixing your issue of your device screen. So therefore, that's how you basically fix the horizontal lines on the screen of your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.